Hello everybody, it's great to be back after a short break. Today I want to introduce you to a brand new Canva integration which has only just been launched at the end of last week. It's available to all Canva users, free and pro, and can be used for businesses that sell products as well as services. I also have a very generous offer to share with you, which I promise you, you will not find anywhere else. If you like the sound of this, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Before I get stuck into the details, I just want to talk to you for 1 minute about how vital visual content is when marketing your brand. I'm sure you've heard me talking about this subject ad nauseam, but it's only because it is so important. Visual content is an extremely powerful marketing tool because it takes just one image to convey a brand message, to increase understanding, to stamp a memory, and make an emotional connection with your audience in just fractions of a second. Now, can you imagine trying to achieve that with just plain text? Thank goodness we have tools like Canva to help us create beautiful branded visual content. But sometimes we need to use other tools to help us perfect those images and help them come to life. Imagine, for example, you just designed a new smartphone app and you want to share the final product with a client, a colleague, or a business partner. A 3D mock-up would bring your app to life and enable your audience to visualize exactly what it would look like. Or, like me, you might create free content such as ebooks to help you grow your email list. A 3D mock-up of your ebook is going to look so much more professional and attractive than a flat design. So I'm very excited to share with you today that Canva has teamed up with the people at Smartmockups to bring you a brand new integration. Now let's dive into the details. Now you may have noticed that my Canva design didn't exactly fit my Smart Mockup template. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Canva design that will fit your Smart Mockup template like a glove. I think you'll agree that this new integration offers incredible value, and it's something that I personally am really excited about. Now, I mentioned at the start of this video that I have an exclusive offer to share with you. Thanks to the team at Smart Mockups, you can not only test their templates for free for 7 days, you can extend that 7 days for an entire month. This will give you the perfect opportunity to have a look and see what templates are available, test them out, share them with your friends before you commit to a paid plan. All you need to do is to click on the link, which I will leave in the description box below. When you've finished your designs, why not share them on Instagram with the Smart Mockups team using the hashtag #MadeWithSmartMockups. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now. In the description box below.